it can be a struggle to have as many things as our fair board does provide, in which it's great that we have such an active group that puts on a great fair and provides the youth of our county with those opportunities.
I think having the new fairgrounds will be a wonderful opportunity for our youth to really showcase what they do. We have a lot of young people who excel in their areas and in their projects, and having that opportunity to really have a nice, safe facility and the opportunity to have separate show rings is going to make life a lot easier. It's going to be easier from the parent side of things as well to get livestock in and shuffled around, and it's just going to be a wonderful experience for the spectators that come to see what our young people do.
You know, if we can't be at the current facility, we got to have a new one, and we're going to have room to grow out there, I guess, and to truly give these kids the opportunities that they're currently having. I mean, in essence, we need an improvement to be able to maintain our status quo.